In this video, we'll show you how you can use the X2 thermal glasses to do a residential or commercial insulation efficiency audit. Here you can see we're using the headset to look at the framing underneath the drywall. You can see it's much colder. You can see there's a colder spot here in the ceiling and around the windows. Now here we look at an exterior garage door. See, we're losing energy here. You can look here around the door. Doesn't have proper weather stripping installed. Around the top. Come down, you see we have the same weather stripping problem down here along the bottom. Now this is interesting. Here we're looking at an electrical sub panel. And come down. See this bright spot here. This particular breaker is running the dishwasher. The dishwasher is spinning now, but you can easily identify circuits that are running. Now here we take a look at the hot water heater. See, this particular one is completely uninsulated, although this is in conditioned space, so it's probably okay for this house. Now this is the heater just turned on. You can see this bottom part uninsulated, and even some creeping out along the sides there. And here you can see if we walk out into the hallway, this is the register. Now it's pumping out hot air. And here this is particularly interesting. This is in the master. You can see the uninsulated ductwork running underneath the floor. Here we're looking at the ceiling of a bedroom where there's an insulation gap. See clearly the cold spot here. And here we're going to look at another room, an office space. See here a little clearly coming up where they've installed can lighting. You can clearly see the cold areas. Now let's go upstairs and take a look.
All right. Now up here in the attic you can clearly see the cold area that we were looking downstairs. Some guys have done some work up here and torn up the insulation to get at it. Let's go look at that other side. Now here you can see this is above that smaller office room. Homeowners hired somebody to put in some can lights. They dug up all the insulation. Now they're losing money into their attic space.